Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up YouTube Kids apps on your mobile device. So here I've already opened YouTube Kids apps. If you haven't had the app on your phone, you can install it on the Play Store or App Store. Now after you install the app, you can just open it and tap on Get Started. Here you need to sign in with your parents account. Just click on next, then you can select your account in here. You can tap on sign in. If you already have an account, you can just sign in, and then here you can just click on next, and you can see I have already have a profile. But if are you new, you can just add a profile in here. So I'm going to show you how to create a profile. You need to enter the password of your emails first. Okay, after you sign in and add your password, you can just create a profile for your kid. You can here change the profile photo, and here you can add the kid's name. For example, I'm going to just add Jazz. Okay, you can now just click on enter and enter the age. For example, my kid is 3 years old. You can just tap on 3, click on OK. Now choose the birth month, and after that you can click on next again here and choose the recommended content setting for your profile, which is under 4, this one. If you can just choose based on the age, click on next again. Now you can see or select content by yourself. You can tap on select, for example, in here. Okay, let's just click on next again. The profile has been created, and you can open the profile in here. Okay, so you can here choose the right content for your children. For example, if you don't like with a certain content, you can click on the 3 dots icon and you can block the video. And if you want to download, just tap on download and you'll find the downloaded video in here. So just explore. You can see the category, and if you want to change the settings, you can click on this lock icon. You can see you need to solve a simple math problem to be able to enter the parents only menu. You can click on submit. Here you can set a timer for your children if they're watching the YouTube Kids. You can go to settings in here and see the profile, and you can also enable casting to the big screen. For example, you want to let your child watch on the TV. You can also create a passcode in here. So that's all of me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.